How to create a Grindr account. Alright, so you want to get on Grindr. It's pretty straightforward, honestly. Let's walk through it together. First things first, let's open the Grindr app. You can see my Grindr app right over here. Simply tap on it and go inside it. After you're inside it and you are using this for the first time, you'll be seeing this type of interface. Here, there's an option for the email, password, and the phone number too. You can also log in using Google and the Facebook. However, as we're using this for the first time, we're going to sign up and create an account. For that, you can see a sign up in top right corner. Over here, give it a tap. Then it will provide you with the terms of service. This is a term of service. You can just read it through if you are not confident with what they are going to offer to you or the privacy issues, or if you are concerned about the privacy. And after reading all of them, go to the bottom. So here it is. Now simply tap on next, then tap on accept. Then here's a privacy policy. You can go through them too. After you reading all of them, simply tap on next, then tap on accept. Now you would be asked to enter your birthday. Simply add it over here like this, then tap on next. Now we are going to create an account. For that, what you can do is you can add the Gmail, password, and confirm the password too, or you can just click on continue with the Facebook or the Google and continue without adding the email and with the trouble of adding the password over and over again. Let's go with the Google. Let's tap on it and go inside it. Now it will be showing you the list of all Gmail account that you have. Simply tap the one that you are going to use for this app right over here. Now it will be asking you the access that is for your name and for your email address. Simply tap on continue. And here you can select what the Grindr can access, your drive. I'm not giving much of the access, so let's tap on the continue. If you are giving the access, you can just tick them out. And here we are. Now you have to complete your profile. First things first, you have to add the photo. Over here, it's display name and it will be showing you the age. Gender, there's no response. Simply tap on save. For now, let's not give it the access for the location. Okay, and decline. So we are inside it. So it's compulsion to allow the location. Let's allow the location too. Okay, here we go. And yes, it's started. You can just browse it. There's interest. You can just explore what it have to offer. And once done, it's easy. And that's basically of it. You have created your Grindr account. You should now be able to see all the guys nearby. Pretty simple, right? Let me know in the comments if you ran into any hiccup. That's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next video.